Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on PC. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you know that there is a new update available, so first of all you need to close your Roblox application on your computer, like this. And then, first of all, if you have a Roblox player application with blue icon, that means that you have a desktop version of Roblox application. But if you have a Roblox application game with a gray icon, that means that you have a Microsoft Store version of this application. So first of all, I'm going to show you what should you do if you have a desktop version of Roblox application. So all you need to do is to open any browser you want, for example Google, and then type Roblox in the search bar and then go to the Roblox website. Here it is. Then you need to log in into your account, and after that all you need to do is to download the Roblox application again. So the old one version will be automatically deleted and new version will be downloaded. So, and after that your Roblox application will be updated. So, but if you have a Microsoft Store version of Roblox application, all you need to do is to open Microsoft Store on your computer. Here it is, and then and in the search bar at the top of your screen you need to type Roblox. Here it is, and then click on the Roblox application. And after that, if you have a Microsoft Store version, you will see update button right up here. Then you need to click on the update button, and after that new version will be downloaded. So and that's all, and that's how to update Roblox application on your PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.